Hello, I'm going to show you how to install an Apache 2 server on the Raspberry Pi. First, you have to make a connection with Putty through Apipa. I gave my Raspberry Pi a static Apipa address. Then, log in with a standard user. Make sure your Raspberry is connected with the internet. Enter the command sudo apt update. This can take a while. Then you enter sudo apt install apache 2 -y. The -y stands for yes to all. Next, you enter IPA. And then you copy the WLAN 0 address and paste it in the browser. And your server is online.